Welcome to our channel. Today we how to link your Delta SkyMiles to Lyft. Rewards linking guide step by step clearly. Open the Lyft app on your phone and make sure you are signed in to the correct Lyft account. Update the Lyft app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play to avoid missing menu options. Check that you have a Delta SkyMiles account, and if you do not, create one at Delta.com before continuing. In the Lyft app, tap your profile icon in the top corner to open the account menu. Scroll to find the Rewards or Partner Rewards section, depending on your app layout and region. Tap the option that mentions Delta SkyMiles or Airline Miles to enter the Delta linking page. Read the earning details on the screen so you understand when miles apply and when they do not. Tap Connect or Link Account to begin the secure sign-in process for Delta. A Delta login page will open inside the app or in your browser, and this is normal. Enter your SkyMiles number or the email you use for Delta. Then type your Delta password. Confirm that the name on your Delta account matches your identity to reduce verification issues. Complete any two-factor authentication step if Delta asks for a code by email or text. Tap Allow or Authorize to give Lyft permission to send ride activity to Delta for mileage credit. Wait for the confirmation screen that says your accounts are successfully linked. Return to the Lyft app and look for a Delta SkyMiles badge or connected status to verify the link. Go to your Lyft account settings and confirm that Delta SkyMiles is selected as your active rewards partner. If you have multiple loyalty programs available, make sure Delta is the one chosen for earning on rides. Take a screenshot of the linked confirmation screen for your records in case you need support later. Book a new Lyft ride only after linking, because past rides usually do not earn miles retroactively. Choose the correct pickup and drop-off locations and request your ride as you normally would. After the ride, check your Lyft receipt email or in-app receipt to confirm the ride was completed normally. Allow a few days for SkyMiles to post, because partner miles are not always instant. Sign into your Delta SkyMiles account and look under Recent Activity to find the Lyft mileage entry. If miles do not appear after the expected time, recheck that the same Lyft account is still linked. Make sure you did not unlink and relink during the posting window, because that can delay tracking. Confirm your payment method was valid and the ride was eligible under the current Delta Lyft terms. If the issue remains, contact Lyft support from the app with your ride receipt details. You can also contact Delta SkyMiles support with the ride date and receipt if you need a mileage review. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.